A sì wà nílùú ìrẹsì níbi ìrẹsì 2021 níbi lọ́dọ̀ àwọn kábíyèsí olú ìrẹsì ti ìrẹsì land níbi àjọyọ̀ ìrẹsì day 2021.
Now the next person we're expecting now is Dr. Olatunbosun.
Gbogbo ẹ̀yin olólùfẹ́ ìrẹsì day. Ẹ máa like page yìí, ẹ máa like post yìí, ẹ máa share. Gbogbo ẹ̀yin ọmọ ìlú ìrẹsì tí ẹ ní orí ọ̀fẹ́ àti àǹfààní láti wà níbi ti ọdún yìí. Òun náà láti mú wá sí ojú mú ìròyìn ní ọjọ́ tí ó ẹ máa like ẹ máa share so that tó máa lè dé ọ̀dọ̀ àwọn ọmọ ìlú ìrẹsì ní tí wọn ò sí ní àyíká àti àgbègbè ní ọwọ́lọ́wọ́ báyìí.
Mr. Taiwo Iyiola Tayese renter. You're welcome, sir. You're welcome, sir. Let's listen to presentation of Dr. Adewoyin.
Dr. Olatunbosun Awoyemi, who is represented by Mr. Taishi.
Brief citation on Dr. Olatunbosun Awoyemi. Dr. Olatunbosun Awoyemi was born to Pa and Madam Ezekiel Oladokun Awoyemi of Ileolota Compound, IRESI, some 6 decades ago. Young Olatunbosun had his primary education at Osun Primary School, Osogbo, and Bethlehem African Church Primary School, Ede. He had his secondary school education at Osogbo Grammar School, Osogbo, from 1973 to 1979, and University of Education at the prestigious University of Lagos, College of Medicine of the University of Lagos, where he passed out from in the year 1987 with Bachelor of Medicine and Bachelor of Surgery. Dr. Olatunbosun had his medical internship training at various government hospitals in Ibadan, Oyo State, in the year 1987 to 1988. He had his National Youth Service Corps at the State Hospital in Ijebu-Ode, Ogun State, from August 1988 to August 1989. In September 1989, Dr. Olatunbosun joined the civil service of the old Oyo State as Medical Officer 2 and moved to the State Civil Service of Osun State at the creation of Osun State in August 1991. In the civil service of Osun State, Dr. Olatunbosun served in various capacities in different government hospitals in the state. Dr. Olatunbosun, in the course of his career in the state civil service, always offered the needed assistance and mentorship that he could to offer to whoever he came across requiring such assistance and mentorship in the state civil service. Dr. Olatunbosun had a successful career in the state civil service. He served with utmost integrity and impeccable character in the state civil service and got to the peak of his career as a permanent secretary in the civil service of Osun State.
Yeah, this is the profile of Dr. Olatunbosun Awoyemi. Before you go to the KBC to receive the award, sir, I will want to receive your donation here before you go there, sir, to receive the award.
Eléyìí tí ọ̀rẹ́ mi sọ ní fúnìfíntì ni pé ẹ fẹ́ gba owó tó níye tó ní kìmí láti ọ̀dọ̀ yín tí ó jẹ́ owó ìtẹ̀síwájú ìlú ìrẹsì ní tilé tòkó.
That is the donation of Dr. Olatunbosu Awoyemi.
Awoyemi ye mo parodo. Papa mi ni o. Let's go. Oh yeah, nínú gbogbo.
You have been celebrated and to appreciate it. This is a representative of Dr. Olatunbosu Awoyemi for the Distinguished IRESI Merit Award. The next person we want to call out is Engineer Afolabi for the Distinguished IRESI Merit Award 2021. Engineer Olufemi Afolabi.
Káyọ̀dé Afọlábí. Step forward. Engineer Olúfẹ́mi Káyọ̀dé Afọlábí.
Afọlábí yé ló ń darò ló bàbá mi lọ Afọlábí.
Let's listen to the citation of engineer Olúfẹ́mi Káyọ̀dé Afọlábí.
Let's listen to citation of engineer Olúfẹ́mi Káyọ̀dé.
The product of engineer Olúfẹ́mi Káyọ̀dé Afọlábí. Engineer Olúfẹ́mi Káyọ̀dé Afọlábí was born in the 60s to the families of Pa Amos Afọlábí Odunola Obalakopan and late Madam Victoria Obalakopan and late Madam Victoria Olarike Afọlábí ní Ọ̀pádọ̀tún of Aro Odogidi compound both in IRESI. He attended Baptist Day School IRESI for his primary education from 1970 to 1976. He attended Baptist Secondary Modern School IRESI in 1976 to 1979. He underwent a training in draughtsmanship surveying at Ilorin, Kwara State in 1980 to 1982. He worked briefly at a private surveying company at Ibadan before he proceeded to Government Technical College, Oyo, between 1986 to 1989 to study mechanical engineering craft practice, where he graduated with a distinction in WAEC Technical Exam Part 1. He worked with Lever Brothers Nigeria Limited at Papa Lagos in January to July 1990. He attended City and Guilds of London Institute in Mechanical Engineering, Production Option, Merit in 1998, Full Technology Certificate Distinction in 1999. He attended University of Calabar for postgraduate diploma in management from 2000 to 2001. Engineer Femi Afolabi rose from the ranks to become a seasoned engineer working in various engineering fields within Nigerian Breweries PLC headquartered in Igemo, Lagos State, from July 1990 till date. He attended Institute of International Project Management Association in Netherlands and became a Chartered Associate Project Manager. He is a member of Baptist Church IRESI, Christ Life Baptist Church Osogbo, Bible Society of Nigeria Osogbo Branch, GTC Oyo, BOT member of Old Student Association, member of TIPA Quarry Isokan Garage, African area Osogbo. He loves playing football, movies and traveling. He is married to Mrs. Bosede Afolabi New Oladiran of Bobola Fashion World, Osogbo, and blessed with children. To God be the glory.
This is the citation of Olúfẹ́mi Káyọ̀dé Afọlábí. Before you proceed, the distinguished merit award of tonight, we want to receive your humble donation before you move on to the KBC to receive the award, sir.
Eléyìí ẹnìkejì ní Sunday fílìfìtì á gbọ́ owó lọ́wọ́ yín owó tó ní kìmí 500 million la nídìí ẹ̀rí wọ́n ti kúnlẹ̀ sí i níwájú bàbá. wàlá ìkúnlẹ̀ ló gbà nírọ̀lẹ́ yìí ìkúnlẹ̀ ni.
ṣe ti bá àwọn ọmọ ìrẹsì ṣe rí kó tó bá ti dọ̀rọ̀ olówó dé báyìí.
ọ̀sẹ̀
ìkúnlẹ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀.
Abúlé really do well. Wà á mọ̀ sọ lẹ́yìn ètò.
Àwọn tó bá dúró tí wọ́n yìí kọ́.
Okay. The
Bàbá àwọn èèyàn dáadáa wọ̀nyí kọ́.
to receive support from people that has come from you, sir. Okay, we are not expecting support from your entourage, sir. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Okay, the support we are receiving is for the Distinguished Merit Award. Now, the music I want to play and we want to celebrate with you before you move on to the KBC to receive the award, sir.
Ìrẹsì dé láwà ní ìlú ìrẹsì lọ́dọ̀ bàbá wa olú ìrẹsì ti ìrẹsì láàrin. Fún àǹfààní ẹ̀yin tí ẹ jẹ́ ọmọ ìrẹsì àbí ọmọ Yorùbá lápapọ̀ tí ẹ fẹ́ràn àṣà àti ìṣe ilẹ̀ Yorùbá. Ìdí nìyẹn tá a fi mú wá sójú àwòrán yín lọ́jọ́ tí ò ní. Fún àǹfààní ẹ̀yin tí ẹ láìkí àṣà àti ìṣe ilẹ̀ Yorùbá, ọ̀kan lára àwọn àṣà àti ìṣe ilẹ̀ Yorùbá òun là ń mú wá fún yín báyìí. Ẹ̀yin ọmọ ìlú ìrẹsì ní ilé lóko lọ́nà bóyá ìṣẹ̀ wà ní ìlú ìrẹsì àbí ìṣẹ̀ wà ní Ìlọrin, Èkó, Àbújá àti bẹ́ẹ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀ lọ ní outside the country ní UK, ní US, Germany. Ìrẹsì dé òun là ń fi hàn yín lọ́jọ́ tí ò ní lórí ìkànnì yín, ìkànnì wa Ìgbà Ìwáṣẹ̀. Àwọn ará ìlú ìrẹsì ní o bóyá ìjẹsẹ̀ ìjọmọ ìrẹsì ẹ lè ti rí ìkan lára àwọn èèyàn yín bóyá ọ̀rẹ́ yín ni àbí mọ̀mọ́ àbí bàbá àbí àbúrò àbí ẹ̀gbọ́n yín. Àwọn ará ìlú ìrẹsì ní o wọ́n ní ká kí wọ́n ní ká ṣe yín pẹ̀lẹ́ nínú ẹ̀sìn báyìí ní pé ọdún ìrẹsì tí ọdún yìí ó dùn tó tọ́ ni pé ní last year tó dùn COVID-19 náà lè ṣe ìrẹsì dé àmọ́ a dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ Ọlọ́run ní ọdún yìí pé ó ṣe é ṣe náà ni o ara àwọn tí wọ́n fún láwọ̀ lọ́jọ́ tí o ní o ní o. Àwọn àǹfààní ẹ̀yìn tí ẹ̀ ò ní kábíyèsí nínú rẹ̀ àwọn náà ni o kábíyèsí àwọn ni wọ́n fẹ́ fún wọn ní kíkì o àyàwó wọ́n fún wọn ní àwọ̀dì lọ́jọ́ tí o ní. Ẹ máa bá aláìsí péjì, ẹ máa aláìsí pósí, ẹ máa ṣíà ẹ̀ ẹ̀yẹ́ kó tó owó àwọn ọmọ ẹ̀rọ àti àwọn olólùfẹ́ rẹ̀ sí káàkiri Yorùbá àti àgbáyé. Ẹ máa bá ṣíà ẹ̀, ẹ máa láìsí péjì, ẹ máa láìsí pósí. Bẹ̀rẹ̀ ṣe ń ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ náà máa fún yín sílé ẹ ṣe. A sì ní ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ àwọn ètò fún yín ọjọ́ tí ò ní. Àìsàn náà yẹn bọ̀ lápò ní bẹ̀rẹ̀ lẹ́sìn yìí o ẹni tó lórí ìkànnì yìí gbogbo ṣe ń lọ lọ́jọ́ tí ò ní pátápátá ló máa fi hàn yín lórí ìkànnì náà ní Ìgbà Ìwáṣẹ̀ máa lọ sí ìta ni wa náà máa rí wa wò láì máa dára tó kọ́ sí ṣe lórí péjì ó fún ẹ̀ máa rí wò lórí àlùmáṣá Yorùbá tí ẹsẹ̀ má gbàgbé àti subscribe lórí ẹ̀ ẹ̀ láì nílò ẹ̀ ṣí ẹ̀. Thank you. wà yìí lára àwọn tí wọ́n fẹ́ fún ní award èèyàn tiwa náà wà lára àwọn èèyàn tí wọ́n fẹ́ fún láwọ̀ lọ́jọ́ tí ò ní èèyàn wa aka president wa aka nígbàtí àwọn náà wà lórí ìjókòó wọ́n wà lórí ìjókòó ní bí ìrẹsì ní ti ọdún ìrẹsì day 2021 pẹ̀lú ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ àwọn èèyàn pàtàkì ní ìlú ìrẹsì.
Alhaji Rasheed Adelere Adediran.
Next person tí wọ́n fẹ́ fún ní award ni o àti ayawo.
That is Alhaji Rasheed Adelere Adediran.
Àtẹ̀kásí pàṣẹ kó sọ̀rọ̀ kó sọ̀rọ̀ Alhaji ayé Alhaji kọ̀mọ́nàtì kẹ́mọ́tì pàtó máa jẹ̀mú tẹ́ lọ́dá nígbà tẹ̀ ìgbàràbọ̀ tẹ́gbọ́n lọ́rùn sọ̀rọ̀ láti fẹ́ ẹni òkú olúwàgbà lórí iye Alhaji ni o. Ẹjẹ́ ti ṣe bí olóyìn kí dédé méjì sílẹ̀. Ìyẹn máa bá sọ́lá jùlọ fún mi. Ìyẹn máa bá sọ́lá. Ìlú Aláàjì bàbá rẹ̀. Aláàjì ọlọ́lọ́yẹ̀ ló bá rẹ̀ dé Aláàjì tí wá dá. Aláàjì olórí. Ọlọ́lọ́yẹ̀ ló bá rẹ̀ dé. Aláàjì sẹ́yìn ọjọ́ ẹlẹ́bùn mi mọ́ Aláàjì. Ọjọ́ ẹlẹ́bùn mi mọ́ kílọ̀ ẹ̀sán ní ẹ̀bùn mi ẹ̀sán kan bẹ́ẹ̀ lẹ́nu gan. Àmì o, ọmọ ní ọjọ́ òbí rẹ̀ àmì o.
Let's listen to the citation of Alhaji Rasheed Adelere Adediran.
The profile. The profile of Alhaji Rasheed Adelere Adediran. Alhaji Rasheed Adelere Adediran was born in Oyo State in 1962. He attended early primary school and Ishayin District Grammar School, both in Ishayin local government, before proceeding to the University of Ibadan, where he bagged Bachelor of Science degree in Economics, BS Economics, in 1987. He was enlisted into the Department of State Service as a cadet officer in 1989, where he successfully served and attained the rank of Assistant Director, ADG. He served in many states across the country at different capacities. During this period, he served as State Director in 5 states, including Osun and Ondo. He is a fellow of the Defense College, FDC, and fellow of Security Institute. He is happily married with children.
Thank you very much. Alhaji, before you go, sir. A ti gbọ́ tí wọ́n ti ka profile wọn fún wa.
We have heard this profile.
We have joined us. Alhaji, a fẹ́ kọ́ pálásì wa abẹ́ gbé ní Alhaji abẹ́ni ló kó sọ lẹ́ẹ̀kan. All right, sir.
All right, thank you very much. The Senior Captain Kabiyesi, the musician want to celebrate you.
Kabiyesi and receive the award.
Before you go forward.
Ọ̀pọ̀ tí mo fi rí Aláàjì